students, good day for you. Today's topic is a heat transfer. Before we going to the topic, what is the heat? Heat is a form of energy that can be transferred from one object to another, or even created expansions of a loss of other form of energy. This is a pot with a full of water. Take this pot in the top of the stove. Becomes hot. The stove provides the fire, and the pot becomes that heat. Thus, the energy transfers the water starts to boil. This process is a heat transfer. Three forms of a heat transfer: condensation, convection, radiation. While heating the pour of a water, the condensation takes place of fire transfer. Stove to pot. Next, the convection takes the heat transfer the pot to the water. The heat from the flame ranges all the direction is called as a radiation. What are the condensation, convection and the radiation? Let's start with the condensation. Condensation is a process in which the transfer of the heat takes place between the object by the direct current. The key of a condensation is direct current. Let's discuss. Pan is a direct current with the fire. The pan heat energy is transferred to the egg. The pot heat energy transfers to the rice. Egg is indirect current with the pan. The rice is also indirect current with the pan. Convection. Convection is a transfer of a heat by the movement of a fluid. We are taking a cup of coffee with a hot. The coffee or the tea is a hot is an example of a convection. The warm rises between of a heat of a fluid. Now the radiation. Radiation is a transfer of energy from its origin to the surroundings. The most common example of a radiation is a sunlight, like crocodiles heat from the sun and warm their bodies. There are also a radiation that are difficult to feel compared to the sun because of a lower difference in the temperature between the surface and the object. The another one example is a mobile phone. The mobile phone provides the radiation through the surroundings. It is very dangerous to our body, but it is also an example of a radiation. Now it is a time for a quick question and answer. Let's think about the question and answer it. What form of a heat transfer is used when ironing clothes? Pause the video and take a time to the answer. Yes, it is condensation, because the iron box contains a heat which is used to iron the clothes. Next question. What form of a heat transfer is used to boil the soup? Convection is correct, because in the convection only the pot heat is transferred to the food. Therefore, it is used. Now for the last question. It is a sunny day and you are playing outside. Suddenly, you feel that your skin became hot. How does it happen? Think at. It is because radiation. Because the radiation only transfer our heat from the sunlight. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.